Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. A very good morning to everyone. I, Dhere Goel, as the head boy of Dale Public School Gwalior, feel honored and privileged to extend the vote of thanks on the special occasion of Independence Day celebration. This year has been a year full of challenges, a year marked by unprecedented situations which will surely change the way of doing things. A big thanks to Pro Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Arshna Dalmia, whose inspiring and motivating words has filled us with josh. I would also like to thank our principal sir for his words of wisdom that radiate energy and illuminate the path of students to realize their potential. Heartfelt thanks to our teachers and educators who shape us, mold us, guide us, and lead us to be a better citizen and face the challenges ahead. On this special occasion, I would like to thank my Student Council 2019-20 for its best efforts and sincere hard work to complete each and every task, and also to all other students for participating in all co-curricular activities and competition which left our moods. A special thanks to all those who devote and sacrifice their lives to let us live freely and move with our heads held high. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.